Alright guys, I'm making this video just to show you an old technique that we used to use. I kind of modified it for bass fishing, and I want to show you how to put a top shot of line on a reel. This is going to be what I call a modified Bimini twist. So the first thing I do is I take my leader line. In this case, is going to be for drop shotting, so this is a 14-pound fluorocarbon line, and then on my spinning reel I have a heavier 30-pound Power Pro. This is the Power Pro slick, super slick line. What I do is I take that fluorocarbon and I use the upward bend of it and I point it forward. I then overlay my line right over the Power Pro, right over the fluorocarbon. Pinch it in my hand, and then this is just going to be a series of wraps that are going to go up the fluorocarbon. To do that, I go under, over with the tag. I go the opposite way, under, away with the main line. I'm going to do that 6 times. Under, over, under, away, under, over, under, away, under, over, under, away, under, over, under, away. Okay, now I'm going to grab that tag in, and it just makes a sloppy little mess like this. I'm going to grab that tag in. Then I'm going to grab my 2 Power Pro lines, and I'm going to slide that knot down until it tightens up. Now, grab that knot that you just formed, and we're going to do it again. Under, over, over, away, under, over, under, away, under, over, away, under, over, away, under, away. Now, tighten it back up. Sometimes you have to slide it up and down just to get it to tighten perfectly. This also works a lot better with regular Power Pro, not the Slick 50, but I'm using the slick line just to show for better, just so you can see it a little better. Now, what this makes is a really thin knot, and it's a very flexible knot that can be reeled through your eyes. So just keep tightening it. Now that it's cinched down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tag in of the fluorocarbon, and I'm going to take my main line going to my reel, and I'm going to throw an over half hitch around it like this. An over half hitch. Take these two, hold them together, do a half hitch this way, over, cinch it tight. Then I'm going to do an under half hitch, and I'm going to cinch it tight. Now, you can snip off the tag end of your fluorocarbon. Very, very short. All right, now, because that has a little bit hanging out, I'm gonna tie another half hitch in front of it. It helps smooth that knot over. That way when it comes through that eyelet, it won't hang up. This makes a really small, probably the smallest knot that you can possibly tie. And then what I would do is, I would go ahead and reel in a top shot of about 20-25 feet, into my reel. Whenever I cast it out or reel it in, I don't even feel it coming through my guides because it's so small, especially whenever I'm using 30-pound braid and 14-pound test over it. You can't even tell the knot came through or is coming through your eyelets. So you can check out this video, and I hope you like it. You can check out other videos on hookercustomlures.com. Thanks for watching.